So I talk a lot about including your pets in your will and trust and how important that is. But what does that mean? What do we need to include? So the first thing is that we need to include the legal powers in your trust and your power of attorney for those people, your agent, your trustee, your executor, to take care of your pets. And that includes financially, like buying them food, paying for vet care if needed, that kind of thing. And also, of course, the power to actually take care of them and, do what's needed there physically and personally. The other thing we need to include in those documents is who should be in charge of caring for them or finding them a new home if you're not able to provide that home anymore. So that might be the same person that's in charge of helping you with other things and managing your finances, but it may be someone different who is best to take care of your pets or find them a home. We also may want to include provisions for cash gifts to the person who will care for them or the organization who will care for them to provide for the financial side of things and how to pay for their food and vet care and toys and living expenses. And then, of course, as I've talked about, it's super important to share any details about how best to care for them, just like you would with a pet sitter short-term. For longer-term care, what do they eat? What are their habits? How best to take care of them? Do they get along with other dogs or cats or kids? Do they need to stay with their pet sibling, or would they actually be happier separate? Details like that you can easily write down and share with anyone who might be taking care of them. And then if you have more detailed wishes and want to provide substantially in a financial way for your pets, pet trusts are also an option. So that kind of covers the spectrum, but pet trusts are a way to provide more guidance as to how they should be cared for, who should care for them, provide money for their benefits, and go into a little more detail about what that looks like. So comment below if you have questions, or contact me for more information at marisanelson.com or the link in bio.